Good morning, Warhawks. There we go. So thank you all for your commitment to serving our community. Definitely Westerville is better today because of the efforts of Westerville Central High School. So congratulations and thank you to everyone. Big round of applause.
Today we are here to celebrate the season of giving. Our generosity has fulfilled the wish list of 90 Westerville children. Our grand total of donations this year was $11,383. Nice job, Warhawks.
So you need to be proud of yourselves for everything you have done and that you continue to do throughout the community, throughout your lives. So we wish you happy holidays. We wish you love and care because you care, therefore you give share. Thank you, Warhawks.